to welcome you to the annual NPTC Group of Colleges Student Awards. It's a real privilege to say, finally, we're back. Yes. Well, it's a real honour for me to be here at the Student Awards this evening. It's a double celebration because the first Student Awards since before COVID, 2019. So there are 2 years to celebrate, and it's going to be great to see the young people coming in to this lovely Swansea.com stadium. It's always a very emotional night because there's always a story to touch your heart. Someone who against all odds has succeeded in pursuing their academic dreams.
It's a fantastic opportunity tonight to celebrate the successes of our staff and our students in our 17th Student Awards night. We've had a terrible time in relation to the COVID pandemic, and the resilience shown by our staff and students has just been absolutely amazing. And on behalf of Mark Dacey, our principal, who was unable to be with us tonight, I'm extremely proud to be the acting principal in his stead, and to echo what I know will be Mark's thoughts, that this is a fantastic college. The group of colleges that we are amazing, and the way we support our students and see them flourish just makes all our days.
Well, I picked up 2 awards this evening. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. I wasn't expecting anything. I was expecting to put on a dress, have some dinner, and that was about it. No, it's been fun. It's been nice to get out. Yeah, it's been good.
Yeah, I feel incredibly honoured to have been given these awards tonight. A credit to my tutors. I want to say a massive thank you to everybody who's helped me throughout my college journey. Yeah, this evening's been really enjoyable. Have really enjoyed. Don't get to come to many places like this very often, being a farmer, or dress up nicely like this actually, for a matter of fact.